Fishing trawler. A fishing trawler is a big boat that catches fish in the ocean. It has a large net called a trawl. The net goes deep into the water to catch many fish at once. Fishermen drop the net and pull it behind the boat. The net moves through the water and collects fish. After some time, they lift the net back onto the boat. The fish are put in boxes with ice to stay fresh. Fishing trawlers work day and night. Some boats stay on the ocean for weeks. They catch fish like cod, tuna, and shrimp. Fishing is important for many people. Fish is healthy food. But we must take care of the ocean and not catch too many fish.